This time I'll make a strawberry cheesecake. The main ingredients are cream cheese, condensed milk, eggs, and lemon and lime juice. To save time, I use a pre-made graham cracker crust, and of course strawberries for the sauce. First step is to make the filling. I left the cream cheese at room temperature for a while, so it'll be easier to blend and avoid clumps. Next I'll add in the condensed milk, and then sift in the flour and squirt in some lemon juice. I use a fork to start mashing up the cream cheese. And I almost forgot the vanilla extract. Then I'll add in the eggs. I have an electric whisk, but I'll do it the old-fashioned way. I also remembered where the grater was. That's not right. There we go. I'll shave off some of the lime zest for the fragrance and the zestiness. And I'll just run the electric whisk real quick to take care of any last lumps. Now I'll just pour into the crust. It's okay for it to overflow a bit because it'll shrink while baking. I'll gently tap the pan to remove the air bubbles. I'll preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and while it's heating up, I'll create the strawberry sauce. I'll add the chopped up strawberries to a small saucepan on medium heat. Squirt in some lemon juice, and also wave around some freshly squeezed lime juice. Next, a nice spoonful of dark brown sugar. I'll then use a fork to start mashing up the strawberries. Pop the cheesecake into the oven. I won't let the sauce get too thick, or else the sugars will start to burn. I'll squeeze in some more lime juice to help it out. After about 15 minutes of simmering and mashing, I have a jammy strawberry sauce. And after 60 minutes, the cheesecake is finished. To verify, I'll poke the middle and see if it comes out clean. After letting it cool for an hour, the cheesecake has sifted up. I'll glaze the top evenly with the sauce, and there we have a nice strawberry cheesecake. In an alternate reality, I didn't glaze the whole cheesecake. Instead, I extracted it by flipping it onto the board, then flipping it onto the plate. I'll cut out a slice and top it with the strawberry sauce. Very nice.